How to turn off volume warning on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize both the audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and manage how haptics behave. Here, scroll down and go to the Headphones section at the end. Tap on Headphone Safety. Your iPhone can analyze headphone audio and reduce any sound that is over a set decibel level. Over here, turn off the Reduce Loud Audio feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off volume warning on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.